Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's have a test. Yeah, let's go. Wow, this tastes yummy and delicious. So guys, I was in the supermarket and I came across these brownies. You know, this is already made brownies, so I decided to pick a pack to come and give it a try to see how it tastes. So this is me unpacking it. At the back of the pack, instructions and the ingredients to add are listed there. So here, this one is the chocolate chips, and this one is the dough mixture, as in the powdered mix. Yeah, that is it. And then this one is like the baking tray but made with paper. So what I would do is to follow the instructions behind and fix it. After fixing it, I'm going to place it inside this oven dish, but I doubt if it's going to fit in. But anyways, let me just try it. If it does not, then I'm going to change it. So now I'm done fixing it and it does not fit in, so I'm going to be changing that. So now keep watching. Let's do this together and see how the outcome will be like. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy viewing. And here we go guys, this is the outcome of it. It looks so moist and yummy, and I think it's going to taste delicious as well. So if you have been watching up to this point, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for all your support. Please remember to like, comment and share this video, and I hope to see you again in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.